Guys, we've been out here in Hiroshima for 2 days now, and today we're at the Great Torri. I don't know if you guys can see it behind me, and yeah, let me just show you guys around. So what I like to do when I travel is obviously take pretty good pictures of all the places I've been. And if you're not already, just go ahead and follow me on Nacho Travel on IG. And that's where I post like all the cool pictures and hopefully convinces people to go there one day and take those same pictures themselves. One thing I want to mention is that I know my vlogs are like pretty crappy, but in my defense, I'm barely starting, so most of the time I forget to say things or just show y'all too many like highlights of stuff. But if y'all could just bear with me, I promise I'll get better eventually, maybe like a couple thousand videos from now, who knows. So yeah, I just wanted to say sorry about that, and yeah, let's keep going.